to. I'll be back in a little bit.
Thank you.
Kaya nyo na yan. See you.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon!
Good afternoon.
Yes, please, dahil iniwan tayo ni Nicole, I hope samahan niyo muna kami. Magtsikahan muna tayo
Yes,
dito,
dito muna
Giselle.
kami ni Janine.
Okay,
So parang
sige.
tayo nasa talk show.
Oo. Ako na muna mag-i-interview sa'yo. So, hi everyone! Kamusta kayo? Madami na bang na-shopping?
Mukhang marami na silang mga dalang freebies.
Oo nga eh. Well, thank you so much for the warm welcome. It's so good to see you here today. Lahat tayo beauty lovers and we're excited to represent a brand that we really, really love and believe in. And ako kasi syempre yung trabaho ko is usually on camera. So it's very important to me na alagaan yung skin ko, not just on my face but also sa katawan.
Correct. Kung ikaw, in front of the camera. Ako naman, behind the camera, usually
Yes.
pag nag-create ng content. So one thing I've learned, whether get ready with me videos or pag nag-film ka ng OOTD, I'm sure ginagawa mo rin yan sa work mo, di
Yes,
ba?
kailangan.
Yes. And realize ko, yung skin confidence talaga, it makes a huge difference.
That's true. And syempre, being in a very hot country, isa sa mga problem areas or problems ng skin that I also experience are dark spots.
Yes, same.
Oo, so syempre kung may dark spots ka, di ba, sometimes it affects your confidence. Parang natatempt ka na, balot ka na lang palagi because you're thinking of your dark spots. And that's something that we can help you with today.
Grabe, even si Janine, guys, nagkakaroon ng dark spots. Diba?
Yeah.
Oo. Minsan, di ba, kahit suot mo yung pinaka-favorite or pinaka-magandang clothes, if you're not confident with your skin, iba rin yun eh.
Yes, that's true. That's why sometimes kapag may problema na ganyan, di ba, you really have to choose a trusted brand.
Correct.
Kasi kung magkamali ka din ng i-apply sa skin mo, syempre that's your body, hindi mo na mababawi. Meron talagang mga nakakatakot na products. So when it comes to anything with your body, with your skin, it's so important to choose a trusted brand like Nivea.
Let me, speaking of stubborn dark spots, we want a bright and even skin. If you remember, Janine, yung Nivea Super 10, I'm sure karamihan sa inyo familiar with that pink bottle na merong fruits. Alam mo ba, Janine, nagkaroon na siya ng upgrade. Nagulat ako na
Yes.
nakita ko siya sa Watsons. Nagkaroon na siya ng glow up.
Yes. Eto na nga, we're here because we are relaunching, as you can see here, the Nivea body care product that we all love, the Nivea Super 10 Body Serum. So from this old packaging, now it's in this upgraded packaging na talagang
Very Nivea.
exactly.
Sobrang Nivea. Actually, nung nakita ko siya, kasi ako, I've also tried a lot of different Nivea products, like yung Super 8 nila, yung Nivea Extra Bright Body Serum na CNE. And ito, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, it belongs. Parang
Yes.
very belong yung design, the packaging. Sobrang, it screams Nivea. Diba?
And it's not just the packaging na nagkaroon ng upgrade, it's also the formulation.
Correct. Kasi meron na siyang what we call niacin.
Yes.
So, niacin, actually, favorite to ng mga skincare enthusiasts sa face pa lang eh. Because they combined niacinamide and vitamin C. Di ba, Janine?
Yes, so niacin is a very powerful duo kasi 2-in-1 siya. Can you tell us more about
Yes.
what niacin is?
Ako kasi, Janine, favorite ko talaga vitamin C on my face. Talagang
Yes.
subo ko siya for brightening. Kapag meron akong mga ginalaw na breakouts, alam mo, ang tagal mag-fade kapag walang
That's
vitamin
true.
C. So, it's really nice to have vitamin C ingredient, not just on your face, but also on your body.
Yes. And sobrang important na huwag niyong kakalimutan
Yes.
yung body care, guys. I know skincare for the face is so famous.
Yes.
Super hype. Pero syempre kailangan sundan mo din talaga ng body care.
Correct.
And niacinamide really targets those stubborn dark spots na talagang nagkakaroon din tayo sa body natin.
Ang maganda doon, pinag-combine nila both vitamin C and
Yes.
niacinamide nandun kay Super 10. And ang maganda rin sa kanya, hindi lang siya sa surface, Janine. So talagang it really goes 10 layers deep to your skin. So yun yung target niya. Imagine yung iba talaga, surface lang yun nata-target for brightening. So ito, it targets more than what we can see.
That's true. And syempre, it's so important to have a product that targets brightening and radiance.
Correct.
So with niacin, you have the niacinamide that targets the dark spots and the vitamin C that really brightens it. So, ako personally, like minsan yung mga taping namin, shooting, especially itong last project ko, sa gubat talaga. So, alam mo yon, I'm sure na-experience nyo din to minsan kapag nasa beach kayo or palaging nasa labas, kailangan mag-commute. Minsan yung mga tan lines natin, di ba nagkakaroon ng sando tan or t-shirt tan or yung medyas. And ako din, like, ang dami kong naging kagat ng lamok, niknik. So, I really make it a priority to have this product because it evens out my skin tone and makes my skin go from dull to bright and radiant.
Correct. Kasi minsan, di ba, ang hirap talaga kapag walang tulong ng mga magagandang ingredients on your skin. So, it's very nice to have Super 10 in your body care. And ang maganda pa, Janine, they have 3 different sizes to fit different lifestyle. Ako, yung maliit,
Ayan na siya.
yes, yung pinakamaliit, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa bag nyo, tapos pwede siya as hand cream.
Oh, perfect.
Kasi hindi siya malagkit.
I love hand cream.
Yes, kasi hindi lahat ng hand cream, di ba? Parang after mong i-apply, parang pwede ka nang humawak ng kung ano-ano. Kasi yung iba, talagang it's sticky. So this one, so parang 2-in-1 na siya kasi hand cream. Does it also brightens your skin at the same time?
And it works in just 5 days.
Yes.
So, sulit na sulit kasi you see effects right away. And if you use it every day, guys, kunin nyo na yung pinakamalaki, yung 300 ml kasi
Correct.
sulit talaga for everyday use.
Yun yung pangbahay. Kumbaga.
Yes. Oo. So actually, bilhin mo na lahat in all sizes. One for your bag, one for your house, one for your office or so work. So perfect na perfect.
Nandyan lang yung booth ng Nivea. So after this, you can go straight there to get your different sizes ng Nivea Super 10.
And speaking of radiance,
Excited ako dito.
oo nga eh, game ba kayo maglaro with us ng isang
Feeling ko
game?
game sila. Daming game, Janine.
Yeah, so we want to play a game. It's the Nivea version of Get Radiant With Me. We'll be playing that game. Who wants to join Get Radiant With Me?
Wow, ang dami may gustong mag-join.
Ay wow, may tumayo na agad.
So parang ito yung una version ng Get Ready With Me Challenge, pero meron siyang twist. Ang cute ng wordplay, no? Get Radiant With
Oo,
Me.
kasi syempre kailangan talaga radiant ka
Correct.
kapag lumalabas ka ng bahay or even at home for yourself, diba?
True. So instead na mag-get ready ka lang, we'll do a 3-step relay to show you yung confidence, yung style, and skincare routine. So sobrang dali lang na ito, guys. Tapos syempre, yung mga winners, meron silang freebies from Nivea.
Yes. So, this table that you can see to our right is our radiance station. And dito tayo gagawa ng confidence check.
So kailangan lang namin ng 3 players each ni Janine.
O sige, pili na muna tayo ng players
Oo.
before we explain the mechanics. But, guys, sali na kayo kasi we're giving away Nivea products to our winners.
Ay!
John, three players each kami. Hi, guys! Who wants to join? Ayan, I think our Nivea girl is helping us choose.
Ayan, meron na kagad
Perfect.
tayong 6 players.
Okay,
Hello!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi,
Ang
guys!
radiant na kagad nila.
Isa na lang. Oo nga.
Ayan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isa pa.
One more player.
Hello! Hello! Hi, guys! So, eto na. Should we explain the mechanics
Yes.
muna or i-split na natin sila into teams?
So, pwede. Mag-split na into 2 teams. So,
Sige.
dalawang set ng players tayo. 3 players each.
Okay, sige. So, dito na lang ako.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Tayong
team
tatlo,
Janine.
tayong tatlo.
So, tayong tatlo ang magkaka-team. Okay.
Okay, so explain natin yung mechanics ng game. So, it's a relay.
Thank you sa mga sumali sa games and we invite you to go to the Nivea booth. Janine and I will be there after this.
Yes, meron po kaming meet and greet. All you need is 1,000 worth of Nivea products. So we hope that you can check out our Nivea Super 10 Body Serum as well as all the other amazing Nivea products over at the Nivea Skin House. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
That's right, guys. Make sure to catch them at the Nivea booth. They're giving 30% off with a minimum spend of 350 pesos to win a free Nivea Super 10 tote bag. And of course, to join the meet and greet, you just need a minimum 10. Ay, munti ka na. 1,000. Iba yung iniisip. Sabi na nga ba, di ba hindi talaga, di talaga eh. 1,000 pesos minimum spend, meet and greet with them. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next part of our program.